Hello, sweet family. Today we are going to be making simple, delicious beef tomato stew. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I have my beef and I'm just going to season it with salt. And then I have here beef seasoning. And also I have here some blended ginger, garlic and onion. I also have here some rosemary, black pepper, bay leaf, some chopped onions, and I'm going to be adding beef stock cube, just a little bit. And I'll just mix all together, and then I'm just going to be cooking this for about 10 to 15 minutes. So please do feel free and use any type of seasoning that you love for this recipe. And this has been cooking for about 15 minutes now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to be grilling this in the oven, but you can also fry if that is what you want. So I just going to grill for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat because I don't want it to be too dry. And then now I'm going to start by preparing my stew. So I'm using corn oil for this recipe. Please do feel free to use any oil of your choice. And then I just added in some sliced onions and I'm just going to fry this onion for about 2 minutes. And for this recipe, I'm using only fresh tomatoes. You can also use tomatoes puree or tomato paste. You can add to it, but I'm just using fresh tomatoes. So here is blended fresh tomatoes with some onion, garlic, ginger mixed together. And I'm just adding my beef stock and I'm just going to let this fry slowly on a medium heat until the water has completely dried out. So as you can see now, the sauce or the stew has reduced completely and the water has completely dried out. I'll test for salt, and if there is a need, I'll just go ahead and add in just a little bit of salt. So when preparing your stew, please do go ahead and use your preferable ingredients. So I just mixed all together and now I'm just going to be adding in my beef which I grilled in the oven. And you can see this stew is perfectly fried. Everything is perfect. The beef is perfect. And now I'm just going to go ahead and season it with some blended garlic and onion, just blended garlic and onion, and then a little bit of curry powder, and then just mix all together very well. And then I'm just going to garnish with some pepper, that is some scotch bonnet, and that's it. The stew is ready. Very simple and easy, and you can go ahead and add this with any meal of your choice. So I believe everyone loved this video, and I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Bye.